3 gates, 1 extraordinary address.
Discover Olympia Ridge Estates, located in the prestigious Southern Highlands Golf Club, where Landon Miller Homes is showcasing a custom estate with views of the iconic Las Vegas Strip front and center.
And you get the first look.
So today we have the privilege of meeting with the visionary behind this incredible project, Landon Miller with Landon Miller Homes, right here at the future residence of what's promising to be Las Vegas's iconic residence.
Well, Landon, you have really established yourself as a luxury private builder. What was the driving force behind establishing Landon Miller Homes?
So the driving force behind this was to create something unique and different, bring something to Vegas that I haven't really seen, heard of, try to create unique features and a very quality built home. That was kind of the vision behind starting this. I wanted to emphasize certain things that I thought were important that Vegas doesn't really have.
And we are very excited to see it. So Landon, we heard whispers that this home is named after your son. So I'm sure there's a deep connection. Can you talk to us about that?
Yeah, so when we started this house, my son was almost born and we're trying to come up with a name, kind of remember it by, and it's the first large house of this scale that we have built. So we named it the Banks Estate after him, and that's kind of where it came about. We wanted to, I don't know so much tell him that this is his house because it's not his house, but name it after him just in remembrance. When he drives by in many years, he can see it up there and kind of understand that that's what we did it for.
And maybe there'll be a second one for your second child, right?
Possibly.
So let's talk about location. We're behind the 3rd gate of the guard-gated Southern Highlands Golf Club. You have a prestigious golf course community and an elite golf course. Tell me about this location and what was important to you.
So what was most important to me was being in a location that had great proximity to the airport, the Las Vegas Strip, and also I really enjoyed this particular area because of the golf course view, the trees that are involved in your view. Most times in Vegas, you don't have the ability to have trees, the strip, and a 180 panoramic view. Those things were very important to me, as well as that I think the security of having a home like this, being beyond 3 gates, and the full-time security at the front gate, that was also something that I wanted in the home. I wanted to make it feel like it was very secure. If somebody had to leave, they were able to. So those were big factors in determining the location of where I wanted to build this.
This is definitely a great location. Close proximity to the I-15, especially those commuting from California.
Yeah, that's funny you mentioned that. That was kind of a very interesting thing because other communities in here, you're 30 minutes closer than a lot of the other, I guess, prestigious communities in Vegas. And I think that was a good factor as well for anybody that was moving from California. It's a 30, 40 minute closer drive than a lot of the other areas.
So as construction is progressing, what features are you particularly proud of even at this stage?
The main feature that I really like about this house is one, the entry over the bridge. I think that's something really cool that you don't see often. I also like the subterranean garage. Offers up to probably 14 cars. And so that's something that was very unique to Vegas. And those are probably my 2 favorite features. Obviously the office upstairs is my favorite room in the house just because it's fully glassed in. As of right now, those would probably be my 3 favorite things about the home.
Landon, we want to thank you for this opportunity. It's been very insightful and we appreciate it so much.
Of course, anytime. I look forward to more to come. Thank you guys.
Now that we've given you the first glimpse into the vision and inspiration of the Banks Estate,
Follow us as we reveal the transformation of this one-of-a-kind home.